It's frustrating, right? Your teen has worked so hard to earn that GPA, but when it comes to the SAT, the score just doesn't match up. Hi, I'm Tom Zara, founder of Zara Tutoring and the creator of our Spotlight SAT curriculum. I just wanted to say how glad I am that you've scheduled your Accelerator phone call. It's the first real step toward understanding why that gap exists and, more importantly, how to fix it. Stick with me for the next minute because I'll share exactly how to make sure this call sets your teen up for the kind of breakthrough we've seen hundreds of families experience. Now that you're booked, you should have received an email with a couple of free bonuses. Tom's testing tips, my 4-step system for approaching any SAT math question, and our test stress success manual, the same mindset guide we assign to our students every week to help them stay calm and confident. And you'll also see a quick 30-second video explaining how to get the most from that guide. Someone from our team will reach out to ask a few quick questions about your child's background, goals, and learning style to see if they're a strong fit for our program. If it looks like a good fit, they'll schedule you and your student for a 30-minute Zoom strategy session with one of our SAT specialists. That's where the magic happens. We'll walk your teen through a mini SAT skills assessment for both the math and reading and writing sections, teach a few strategies right on the spot, and show you the approach that's helped hundreds of our students achieve our average 150-point improvement. At the end of that call, whether you decide to move forward or not, you'll receive a few extra bonuses, including one of my Mind Mastery strategy videos, one of my 36 math modules, one of my 20 reading and writing modules, and my Learning 101 mini course, just as a thank you for sharing your time with us. On behalf of everyone here at Zara Tutoring, welcome and get ready for an incredible SAT journey ahead. See you on the call. And remember, you got this.